Pro-Tec Equipment Plastic Pump Can Seal Repair. For this repair, the tools required are 7/16" socket, 1/2" socket, 9/16" wrench, 3/16" hex key, snap ring pliers, small pick, seal lubricant. Step 1. Remove the carry handle. Step 2. Detach drain hose from quarter turn valve. Step 3. Remove hose. Step 4. Remove hex bolts attached to pump head casting. Step 5. Remove pump assembly. Step 6. Unscrew pressure tube from pump head. Step 7. Remove plunger rod. Step 8. Remove strainer screen and unscrew check valve body. Step 9. Remove check valve O-ring. Step 10. On underside of pump head casting, remove snap ring. Step 11. Remove wear ring. Step 12. Remove snap ring wear ring and pump head poly seal. Reassembly. Step 13. Install new wear ring. Step 14. Install new snap ring. Step 15. Install new, freshly lubricated O-ring. Step 16. Install new poly seal. Make sure embedded O-ring is facing down. Step 17. Install new wear ring. Step 18. Install new snap ring. Step 19. Lubricate the plunger rod and insert into pump head casting. Step 20. Lubricate and install new check valve O-ring. Step 21. Screw in check valve body to pressure tube. Using a screwdriver, completely tighten check valve body. Step 22. Reattach strainer screen. Step 23. Screw in pressure tube assembly to pump head casting. Step 24. Attach pump head gasket and install pump assembly into pump can. Step 25. Install and tighten the hex bolts and pump head spacer. Step 26. Reattach drain hose. Step 27. Reattach pressure hose. Step 28. Reattach pump handle. Step 29. Reattach carry handle. For more information, contact us at 800-292-1225 or on the web at www.protechequipment.com. Pro-Tec Equipment, a leading producer and distributor of trench shoring and shielding equipment since 1995.